Colonel, let's go through once more exercise, which is the photo number 17 that was depicted in Exhibit S. Doctor, if you can assist us. And then also, we'll be going to the record of the 28th of July, 2023. I just want to put the accused version in line with the evidence that is contained in this page. Page 30. Oh, sorry, page 31. Page 31 of the record, 28 July 2023. Yes. Colonel, you remember that I put the version to say the accused will say that picture, number 17, was taken at George Koch at that time, which is 17:28 minutes 39 seconds.
Yes, I do recall, my lord.
You recall?
Yeah,
Yes.
to tell us some George Koch.
Okay. Then if you go on page 31 of the transcript record dated 28 July 2023, we're going to start on line number 2. Yes, I'm going to read it for you for now because it's too faint there.
Yes, my lord.
Kenneth Steyn testified and he said, and the next photo, he was being asked about the pictures by the state which are contained in Exhibit S. And that is when he responded, when he gave that explanation. But I don't want to take you back, but this is how he responded. And the next photo from cell phone number 072-7668169 is also taken from the phone on the 26th October at 5:28 p.m. plus 2 hours. It is an 0728 then. There is, like I also already mentioned, of his being clothing and the dreadlocks. We are done with this one. Okay? Do you follow?
I'm following, my lord.
Okay. Then there was a question from the court. Can you go up, doctor? Thank you, Doc. Then the court question arose which says, I'm sorry, you just mentioned the 2 hours. I will tell you why. I'm with you because I'm following the evidence. You said, for instance, is that 5:28 p.m., right? It is when you were referring to the photo that was taken. That's the time for the photo that was taken for photo number 17, where there is accused number 3 and accused number 5.
I'm following, my lord.
Kenneth Steyn responded to say, that is correct, 5:28. The court, now that is a download. Mr. Steyn, that is the download, yes. Then you add 2 hours on top of that. That is correct? Then tell us, by the court, then tell us so that we all understand. Mr. Steyn is now telling. Then it is going to be 19:28 if you add the 2 hours according to Steyn.
I'm listening, my lord.
That is it. So it is 7 o'clock because never 5 o'clock is it's inaudible. So you can say 19. That is correct, 19:28 seconds. In other words, 7:30. Yes.
I'm following, my lord.
So my line of question is on the version that I had put to you to say that picture was taken from the cell phone belonging to accused number 3. And at the time when that picture was taken, they were at George Koch. And in particular, what I was placing on record is that at that time when the picture was taken, they were at George Koch.
Ngifuna ukugcizelela ukuthi lesi sithombe sathathwa umakhalekhukhwini kaMsolwa wesithathu. And futhi nokuthi ngalesi sikhathi sithathwa lesi sithombe babe seGeorge Koch.
Okay.
My lord.
Then-
Oh,
okay.
sorry. I thought you were done, advocate.
Yes. And then what I'm putting to you is that this is confirmed by the evidence of Colonel Steyn that that picture was taken at that point in time, which is reflected in that photo album. Which
Lokhu
is
futhi usekela ubufakazi bukaKenneth Steyn ukuthi lesithombe sathathwa ngalesa sikhathi esivelayo
which is 1728.
isikhathi 1728
But also, if you go into the evidence of Steyn, which is the time that adds 2 hours, it takes us to 1928.
kuthi ke uma ukuthi sinezezela lamahora amabili esinyisa lapha ku 1928
So the accused version is that at that time, he was not at Basotho Hostel, he was not at the crime scene, but he was at George Koch.
umsolo uthi ngalesi sikhathi wayengekho eBasotho Hostel wayengekho endaweni yobugebengu wayeseGeorge Koch.
Whether you take it 1528 according to the device of accused number 3, or whether you take it according to the downloads, which takes us to 1728, it's still also the time when they were at George Koch and not in Basotho Hostel and not in the crime scene.
Kuthi ke nanoma uthatha lezi zikhathi ezivelayo 1728 noma uthatha isikhathi sika 1928 ngazo zombili lezi zikhathi wayeseGeorge Koch.
So, my lord, firstly, I think the record speaks for itself, so I will not get into it. It's very clear what Colonel Steyn is saying. Should I proceed?
Umbiko uyazichaza angeke ke futhi ngigcile kuloku washo uKenneth Steyn.
What is important, my lord, is that the commission of the offense, as I've indicated, is between 20:30 and 9 o'clock. So, in other words, it's more than an hour after this time. If we take now 1928, it doesn't mean that at 1928, if we add 2 hours, that was the time the commission of the offense was taking place. So those are two different times. There's a gap of almost an hour, more than an hour, my lord.
Futhi ke leli cala lenziwa ngekhathi eziphakathi ka-2030 no-21 hours okusho ukuthi kwase kudlule isikhathi esingalingana nehora emva kwalezi khathi ezivela.
And the evidence in the docket indicates that he was indeed at Basotho Hostel based on the statement that I referred to, my lord, where they had a meeting with the other accused. Thereafter, they left. We have the statements. When they came back, my lord, I indicated that that's when accused number 1 made an announcement that accused the deceased in this matter have the head that he has passed on. Subsequent to that, we then have the evidence which is contained in Exhibit HH and JJ, where it is said monies were paid to the accused and the balance of 30,000 was paid by accused number 5 to accused number 2 for the killing of the deceased in this matter, my lord.
And futhi ke kuyavela lapha ukuthi washo umsola uqala sebehlanganele ukuthi umufi usho ukuthi useshonile. And futhi ke kuyavela nokuthi khona nezimali ezakhokhwa and futhi ke nokuthi ke umsola uqala wakhipha imali eyayibalance eya kumsola wesibili eyayikhokhelwa ke lokubulala.
My lord, I see accused number 5 hand is up. Can I just have a word? Thank you. Thank you, my lord, for the court indulgence, my lord. Thank you. Can I just pause in that aspect? We're gonna continue after long adjournment in that area. Can I just quickly do these two versions? Brigadier, is there any evidence of the transactions which were made between the cell phone number belonging to Ms. Kelly Kumalo and accused number 5 on the 26th of October 2014?
Kukhona yini ukubonakalayo kwenza phakathi kwe-cellphone kamsola wesihlanu noKK ngomhla 26 October 2014?
Yes, the evidence of Colonel Steyn, my lord.
Yebo, ubufakazi bukaKenneth Steyn buyasho lokho.
26 October 2014.
What, 26 October?
Yes.
My apologies, I misunderstood.
26 October 2014.
No, I don't think we have a call or communication between Ms. Kelly Kumalo and accused number 5 on the date of the incident, my lord. I misunderstood, my apologies.
Bengezwanga kahle kodwa angibona ukuthi khona esakuthola ukuthi kwakukhona ukuthintana phakathi kaKelly Kumalo nomsola wesihlanu ngalolu suku.
Was there also any communication or transactions between Ms. Kelly Kumalo's number and accused number 5 after the incident?
Khona yini ukuthintana phakathi komsola wesihlanu noKelly Kumalo emumva kwesigameko?
Not the report. I don't have that report, my lord.
Thank you. My lord, can I ask that we take an adjournment now until 2 o'clock from the instructions that I've received now from the accused? I need to verify certain documents regarding my questions further to this, my lord. There are documents that I need to go through with the accused.
Yes, Mr. Barui.
We have no objection, my lord.
What's the time?
12:03, my lord.
We can make it 2.
A 2, my lord, yes. Just asking for a 1 hour, my lord.
Okay.